Hey everyone, today we're talking about how to save money on Netflix. I'm going to share with you 4 great ways that you can save money on everyone's favorite streaming service. But before we get started, don't be afraid to go ahead and click that like button down below. Subscribe to the channel. I'm putting out new videos weekly on saving, investing, financial independence, and early retirement. All right, method number 1 on how to save money on Netflix is to use a rewards credit card. Now, this could be a card that earns you either travel rewards or cash back. There are some cards that have quarterly rotating categories that will earn you 5% or 5x on certain categories. And almost always within one of those quarterly categories, you can find a way to pick up Netflix gift cards. For example, if the quarterly category was gas stations, well, you could go inside of a gas station that sells gift cards and pick up a Netflix gift card that way. Or if the category was grocery stores or drugstores, same thing. Just go into a store in that category and pick up your gift card and get 5% back. 2 common credit cards that offer these rotating 5%, 5x categories are the Chase Freedom Card and the Discover It card. Method number 2 to save money on Netflix is to buy discounted gift cards online. My favorite place to do this is a site called raise.com. They buy and sell discounted gift cards, and when I looked earlier today, you could pick up a Netflix gift card for about 7% off. And a little bonus tip here, if you actually start at another site called Rakuten, which is an online shopping portal, go to Rakuten.com, start there, search for Raise.com, and then jump over to Raise. You'll earn 1% for your purchase at Rakuten, and then you'll pick up your discounted gift card at Raise.com. So right there, that would bring your discount on the Netflix card up to 8% off. Not only that, but what if you used, in this case, a credit card that earned you, say, 1.5 or 2% back on everything? Well, when you make your purchase at Rakuten.com, you get 1%. Jump over to Raise.com to buy your gift card. There's 7%, and you'll earn 1.5 or 2% on your credit card for any purchase. So all in all, with the credit card, Rakuten, and Raise.com, you could save about 10% off your Netflix gift card. Now, one caveat here regarding gift cards is that if you load your Netflix account up with a big gift card, that's going to get loaded into your account as Netflix credit, and you won't actually be able to cancel or pause your subscription as long as you have that credit loaded into your Netflix account. So if you have, for example, $100 credit in your Netflix account and you cancel your subscription, Netflix is going to keep pulling this monthly subscription fee out of that credit each month until it runs out, and then your subscription will be canceled. Method number 3 on how to save money on Netflix is to downgrade your plan. That's right, you may have forgotten when you initially signed up for Netflix, but they do offer multiple tiers of plans. They have 3 tiers of plans from basic, standard, and premium. The basic plan gets you standard definition streaming on 1 screen at a time. The standard plan gets you high definition streaming, 1080p on up to 2 screens at a time. And the Premier plan gets you 4K streaming, HDR streaming, watch on more screens, the whole works. Now myself, and I would imagine most people, go for the middle plan, the standard plan, which offers you the HD streaming on up to 2 devices at a time. Maybe you value the 4K HDR streaming, or maybe you want to save even more and you don't mind going down to the basic plan and watching standard definition content. If you compare the basic plan and the Premier plan, well, the basic plan is about half the cost of the Premier plan. I mean, that's a significant savings, 50%, and you still get your Netflix. So if you can make the standard plan work, more power to you. You've just saved 50% on Netflix. For me, it's not worth downgrading to basic and watching standard definition like an animal. All right, method number 4, and this is the most effective method. It's going to save you the most, and that is to cancel your Netflix membership. Not forever. You don't have to give up Netflix for good. I'm just talking about temporarily canceling your membership and then picking it up again in the future. So if you were to subscribe to Netflix and then unsubscribe and then subscribe and then unsubscribe, basically subscribe every other month, well, you've just saved half on Netflix. Amazing. Now, I think a lot of us sign up for a service like Netflix and don't even realize or don't even think that we can go in and cancel for a month or 2 or 3 and then resubscribe and pick up where we left off. In fact, you can leave Netflix for up to 10 months and then come back, and they'll still keep all your profile, your favorites, your settings, all that kind of stuff will still be in place 10 months later. So you're really not losing out on anything by canceling your Netflix plan temporarily. Maybe you binge watch all you can during the time when you do have a subscription, and then in those months when you don't have a subscription, maybe you watch some other streaming service that you might have access to. For example, if you have Amazon Prime, well, you have access to all that Amazon Prime video content. I mean, you could catch up on that, and then the next month or a couple months later, come back to Netflix and continue on watching your favorite Netflix content. In this way, you can kind of choose how much you're paying for Netflix. Yeah, you're not going to have access to it all the time, but you know what? Maybe you take a break for a month and watch a different streaming service, or I don't know, do something crazy like crack open a book or play a board game with your family or go outside. There's no rule that says you have to always be subscribed to Netflix or that you always have to be watching Netflix. Watch and enjoy for a period of time and then take a break. That's going to save you a lot of money on your Netflix bill. So right now I'm going to actually show you what it looks like to cancel your Netflix subscription. Let's check it out. All right, I'm logged into my Netflix account. I am in the account page, and I'm going to go over here to this nice big gray button here in the upper left corner that says cancel membership. All right, Netflix says cancel your membership. Click Finish Cancellation below to cancel your membership. And they're reminding me that I can restart my membership anytime. My viewing preferences and account details will be saved for 10 months. Fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and click this blue button here that's inviting me to finish cancellation. All right, your membership ends today. Today is your last day to stream. If you've changed your mind, restart your membership now. So, if I do change my mind, which I just might, I could go ahead and click Restart Membership, or I could be reminded later. Notice this down here. It says, we've canceled your membership. Your email confirmation will be sent to your email address. You may continue to watch TV shows and movies until all your credit is used. You have $95.34 credit remaining on your account. So this is what I was talking about as far as if you have credit loaded into your Netflix account, and you cancel your membership, you're still going to have access to Netflix until all that credit has run out. So in my case, because I have $95 of credit, it would be several months before I would actually be unable to watch Netflix content and have to restart my membership if I wanted to watch it. See, it's no big deal at all. Cancel your subscription and pick up again later. In fact, there have been times where I've canceled my Netflix subscription and been offered a better deal. I've been offered a month of premium for the price of the standard service. Just goes to show that there may be even more benefits to unsubscribing temporarily from Netflix. So let's talk real numbers. How much could you save using one of these methods, and how could it help you achieve financial independence? Method number 4 is to cancel your subscription sometimes. I'm going to assume that you're going to cancel your subscription every other month. So that cuts your $14 per month Netflix bill in half, saving you $7 per month or $84 per year. $7 per month times 300 is $2,100 that you no longer need to save for financial independence. On top of that, if you invest that $84 per year that you saved at 7% for 10 years, you'll have $1,161. Not bad at all, considering you're not going without Netflix, you're just watching something else every other month. So there you have it. Those are my 4 methods on how to save money on Netflix. If you found this content valuable, go ahead and give this video a like, maybe even subscribe to the channel. We're talking about saving, investing, and early retirement. I'm putting out a new video weekly. Thanks for watching.